Hi, welcome to EdTech Tip Tuesday, the tutorial that helps you be effective and efficient when using your classroom technologies. My name is Tina McCulloch, an innovative learning specialist. Showing video is commonplace in today's classrooms, and YouTube is a great place to find them. Unfortunately, the transition from teaching to watching a video, especially one from YouTube, is not the smoothest experience. First, we have that intrusive advertisement that we must wait and endure before clicking out of. Then we have that distracting recommended content along the sidebar. Today's tutorial will demonstrate how inserting the video into Google Slides streamlines your viewing experience for either whole group lessons or for independent student use. In this video, I will first show you how to insert videos into Google Slides. Second, I will share a few tips on how to schedule the timing of video play, as well as creating smaller video clips. And lastly, on how to create a Google Slide table of contents playlist. I am positive once you learn these technology tricks, you will find a multitude of ways that this can benefit your classroom instruction. And I know that you can become a techie teacher too. So let's get started. Let's use a shortcut to create a new Google Slides deck. In your Chrome browser bar, type in slides.new. Now we will type in a title, grammar review. If we come back up here, we can see that we have this move box. This will allow us to move this file into the appropriate Google Drive folder for organizational or future reference. Now for a new slide, so we can start inserting our video playlist. Press the plus, go to Insert, Video. We can choose videos from YouTube or Google Drive. I'm going to insert a YouTube video and press Enter. Now I can select the icon and it gives me the insert. A small viewing box opens up, as well as format options off to the sides. I'm going to expand this so it fills the student screen. And then instead of play on click, especially if I'm using this in a classroom setting, I want to play it manually so that we click on the viewer play button in the center to start the video. Let's go ahead, and I want to show you how to do a video clip. And I'm going to change the time to be 1 minute and 14 seconds to 1 minute and 35 seconds just for the nouns. That is how you create short video clips within your Google Slides. As you can see, the videos have been inserted into Google Slides. It's time to create our table of contents. So I'm going to come to the top, insert. I'm going to change the layout to a double column and label this table of contents, playlist. And then I'm going to start with parts of speech, intro, and then nouns, quick intro. And I'm going to work my way down through each one of the names of the videos. Here we have the completed table of contents. And now all I have to do is hyperlink each title to the Google slide that corresponds with it. The advantage of using a Google slide is that each Google slide itself has an independent URL. When I come up to the URL, I'm going to type a Command L. It captures the entire URL, including the HTTPS. I'm going to copy it with a Command C, come back into my table of contents, highlight the label. Command K will provide a hyperlink box so that when I Command V to paste that hyperlink and apply it, it turns into a hyperlink. Now I will go through and do all the steps with each one of these titles and their corresponding Google slide. So each one of these videos is now a hyperlink. Again, if I go into slideshow view, I'll be able to go clear to the bottom and have that video ready to go. One of the things that we need to do is to create something where the students will be able to go back to the beginning. Of contents, Command L, Command C, and then into this adjectives slide, highlight the words here, Command K, paste with a V, and apply. And now that becomes a link to go backwards. So if we were to show this in the slideshow, after the kids finish watching it, they can click this and it takes them back to the table of contents. Go ahead and copy it with the Command C, move into your next slide, create a paste, and there it's attached to that video. It really does increase the student's ability to maneuver, or yours as a teacher to maneuver in the slideshow. So even though we're at the last video, I can click back and I'm back into that table of contents that quickly. When you want to make a visual icon table of contents, when you are at this stage of the inserting video progress, you have this thumbnail. You're going to want to do a Command-Shift-4 to take a quick little screenshot of each one of these thumbnails. Now, I'm going to go down to the helping verbs slide, Command L, Command C, go back, click on that icon. That becomes my linking point. Command K, insert that and apply. So in present mode, if I click on that, it takes me right to the big video where I can click it and start playing.
So, helping.
Of course, since you've created this awesome slide deck of videos for your classroom, your colleagues are going to want it. So here's how you can force a copy of this slideshow. You'll go over here to the share, restricted, and then anyone with the link. Now you can make them a viewer, or you can even make them an editor. Back up to this URL place, we're going to do Command L. But before we share it in an email with our colleague, we are going to delete everything up to the /. And we're going to change that word edit into copy. Here we are going to force them to make a copy when they receive it. In this Tech Tip Tuesday tutorial, I showed you how to use Google Slides to create a YouTube video playlist without any annoying commercials, how to get rid of that distracting sidebar, and now you can play an on-demand YouTube videos and short video clips within Google Slides. We also created a table of contents playlist to access specific videos quickly. Last, you learned how to share your Google files by forcing copies. You can access the Google Slides created in this video in the show notes. Please share this Tech Tip Tuesday tutorial with your colleagues and encourage them to subscribe by using the link in the show notes. Tune in to next week's Tech Tip Tuesday tutorial because you can become a techie teacher too. Thank you.